Hello friends, welcome to Otoscope Electronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of Hillrom Welch allyn 25282C, which is a halogen rechargeable otoscope set. We are going to open it now. It is coming with the rechargeable battery charger. The main advantage to buy the Welch allyn otoscope is you can convert the rechargeable otoscope into the non-rechargeable otoscope. This is the charger, this is the main case, these are the user manual. So these all are coming with the entire set, and you can see this is the hard carrying case given by the company. This is the specula given by the company. These are the disposable specula. This is the converter ring, rechargeable to non-rechargeable. You can convert it to rechargeable to non-rechargeable. So first of all, we are just putting the charger. This is how the charger is going to be ready. This is the otoscope head. You can differentiate the halogen otoscope. See, this is the halogen otoscope. If it is a LED, then here the LED bulb will be there, and it is mentioned over the LED bulb that it is LED. See, this is the handle. You can operate this handle from this angle. You just need to press it, and this is the off. Press and rotate, it will start. So we are just going to connect the otoscope. This is how you can connect in the hole, and you just need to rotate it on right side. Now you can see we are just pressing it, and you can see it is getting on. So this is how it works. It is the halogen light, and you can see the viewing window is the larger compared to other brands. The Welch allyn is having the maximum viewing area, so you can do the observation very precisely. So this is how you can increase and reduce the intensity, and this is the switch off button. So this is the entire otoscope. This is the converter ring. Now come to where to connect this charger. You just need to grab this handle upper part, and you just need to grab this ring. You can open it from here. For new otoscope, you have to recharge the otoscope for 18 hours. You can connect this charger to here. Okay, now if you are in traveling and you do not have sufficient battery, so you just need to open this from the top of the handle, and you can just remove this battery, and you can apply this converter ring. By applying this converter ring, you can reconnect here. So this otoscope is now become the non-rechargeable otoscope. You have to put two batteries, Type C batteries. You have to apply two Type C batteries over here, and it will work as a non-rechargeable otoscope. So this is the basic explanation of otoscope, which is made by Welch allyn. This device is made in USA, and this is ultimately a Welch allyn brand. Thank you very much.